Hi, this is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach. This is our 270 SDX Sea Ray. Nice little bow rider, nice little family boat. Nice V, nice top. Great little inshore boat with the family. Comes with the Mercury Verado, the new AMS, 300 horsepower, 4-stroke. Very fuel efficient. Let's take a look. Nice plush seating, yacht certified. This also pops up into a nice little sun lounge. Great little walk-through. Plenty of seating. You have the L-shaped lounge on the port side. You have your port that moves forward as well, so you can face backwards. Nice, awesome, good size enclosed head. Everybody needs that on a day on the water. You have starboard side helm with the Simrad display, full controls, fusion stereo, nice, comfortable walk through, big windshield. When you go to the bow, and you have nice, ample seating, plenty of people up here. You go forward, and we have a nice boarding ladder. So when you beach the boat, sandbar, beach, everybody's going to come on and off on the bow, which is nice. Great little boat. Awesome. Plush seating. Yacht certified. North Palm Beach, MarineMax. Come and see us.